Key to Canon's proprietary UV gel technology ink is essentially a gel. Here's how the process works. Canon UV gel is heated inside the printheads into a liquid. Temperature-controlled plates maintain the media at a constant low temperature. The ink drops return to gel immediately on contact with the media. Full LED curing takes place once the entire image is formed and gelled on the media. With UV gel, droplets of wildly contrasting colours can be jetted right next to, or even on top of each other, without coalescence, creating a spectacular, thin ink profile and no dot gain. The benefits are striking. Curing no longer limits print speed. Prints are instantly dry. Ink can be deposited in fewer passes. Colorado printers give you everything you want from a graphic arts printer. Precise dot control and perfectly repeatable images at very high speeds, with the look and feel of latex or solvent-based ink.